Go to your study periods as if you have an important appointment. Now, on your schedule, because you are planning your scheduled study time, I need you to go to that study time as if it's an important appointment. You have a date with calculus. You have a date with social studies. You have a date with history. If you're going to spend 50 to an hour studying a subject, go to that subject, go to that study time as if it's an important date. All right, an important appointment. Number 9, designate a specific location outside of your bedroom to study each subject. Study locations can differ based on mood, surrounding, and time of day. Now, let's just keep it real. The bed is made for what? Yes, sleeping. The kitchen table is made for what? Eating. The sofa is made for what? Relaxation, entertainment. Why is it that sometimes we try to study in the bed, we try to study at the kitchen table, or maybe even study on the sofa? Guess what? Your body doesn't know necessarily what to do. So I'm challenging you to find one location. And the only thing you do in that one location is study. Designate a study time and a specific location to study. Now, this is kind of graphic, but guess what? When you go to the bathroom, your bathroom knows exactly what to do when it goes to the, right? It knows. When you sit down in the bed, your body says go to sleep. And that's why it's important for you to set a specific location to go ahead and train yourself. That is study time. All right, here's number 10. Plan your free time as you wish. Listen, we all need free time. All I'm asking you to do is to schedule it and put it on your appointment. Here's number 11. Establish your playtime. So we got free time and then we have some playtime, right? Playtime maybe for you. Maybe you have a video game, friends. Maybe playtime is shooting hoops. Maybe playtime is messing around with your hair. Maybe playtime is just sitting back watching something fun on television. Maybe playtime is sitting down and having some fun with your family or kids. Put it on your schedule. Schedule what? Everything. Here's number 12. Study for the designated class at the designated time, even if you don't have a test or homework assignment. Now, let's say, for example, you have maybe a math course, right? You have a math class and you already on your schedule, you say, you know what? I'm going to study my math on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursday at 11 a.m. or at 5 p.m. Now, let's just say you may not have a lot of homework in math, or maybe you're not studying for a test. But if you have it on your schedule to study math at 11 a.m. or 5 p.m., at 11 a.m. or 5 p.m., still study the math, even if you don't have a project, a homework, or something coming up. Plan it, designate it, and keep that time. All right, that's number 12. And here's the last one here. Don't allow planned activities to overlap. Schedule it on purpose and then do it on purpose. When it's time to read, read. When it's time to work, work. And when it's time to study, guess what? Study. Be very intentional and do it on purpose. Schedule the sleep time. Schedule the play time. Schedule the work time. Schedule the study time. Study the homework time. Study the chores time, right? Do it and do it on purpose. Now, here's the cool thing about life and these schedules. As you go throughout your week, you can always self-assess and say, you know what? I actually need more time doing this task. I can cut away from this next task. But when you plan everything and you schedule everything, you'll get things done, right? So let's go back through these real quick. Number 1 is to schedule your quiet time, motivation time, prayer, devotion time, right? Even as you're going through this 7-day challenge, you know what time the emails show up. You know what time that I put out a new video. Well, you schedule that in your calendar. Number 2, allocate the times you must be in the class. Schedule the class time. Define the time periods in which you will study. Define your study times. Plan for breakfast, lunch, dinner. Plan for prep time. Plan for travel time. Plan for hygiene time, right? Plan it. Number 5, set time aside for your part-time jobs. Maybe you are part of a glee club or a choir or some kind of virtual organization, right? Maybe you're on an online debate team. Full-time job, plan it. Part-time job, plan it. Number 6, carry a detailed appointment. Get in the habit of writing things down, organize, so you can know what's next on your calendar. And you can also use this to self-assess to say, you know what? I forgot about this. And now you can write it in and make adjustments to your schedule. Or you can say, you know what? I know I have this tomorrow at 3:30. Because you can see it on a consistent basis, you can prepare way ahead of time to make sure you hit that deadline, that scheduled time. Number 7, communicate your study times to other people so that they won't interfere, whether it's your mom, your mate, your colleagues, your friends. Just simply communicate so they don't interfere. Number 8, go to your study periods as if it's an important appointment. If it's on the calendar, do it. If it's an appointment, make the appointment. If you have an appointment with calculus, make the appointment with calculus. Number 9, designate a specific location, a study chamber. Define your study chamber, your study location. Number 10, plan your free time as you wish. Yes, as I mentioned before, it's important that you reward yourself. Focus on studying for 15 minutes, take a 10-minute break, some free time. All right. Number 11, establish your playtime. Don't be a workaholic. So there are some things that you just naturally do and you play and you have fun doing it. Guess what? Establish that playtime. Number 12, study for the designated class at the designated time, even if you don't have a test or a homework assignment. Yep, if it's on the calendar study, you go there regardless of what you have going on. Number 13, don't allow planned activities to overlap. Schedule it on purpose, and then guess what? Do it on purpose.